Hey guys, this is Ricky again. I'm working on Mercedes E320 1997. Customer complaint, no start. Okay, we check it. Fuel pump no half power. Okay. A lot of people say the fuel pump relay is under the back seat. As you can see, there's no fuel pump relay here on this model. It's supposed to be here. There's no fuel pump relay here. Okay. The fuel pump relay for this car is in the hood at the front passenger side. It's actually like a module. It's inside this module. Okay, you need to replace this whole module. The fuel pump relay is built into this module. Okay, thank you guys.